Mia lived in a loud, busy city. Every day was noisy. But one day, Mia found a secret place. Mia lives in a big, noisy city. Every day, she works at her desk. Cars are loud outside, her phone rings constantly, and she feels stressed.
I need to rest.
One Friday, Mia calls her grandma. Grandma lives in a small village far from the city.
Come visit us.
Grandma says,
The countryside is peaceful. You can breathe here.
Mia packs her bag and takes a train. The tall buildings slowly disappear. Soon, she sees green fields, cows, and blue skies. When she arrives, Grandma and Grandpa hug her. The village is quiet, only birds sing, and a river flows nearby. The next day, Grandpa takes Mia to the garden. They pick tomatoes and water the plants.
Look at the butterflies.
Grandpa says. Mia laughs. Life here is simple and slow. In the afternoon, they walk to the forest. Mia touches the tall trees and listens to the wind. A rabbit hops near them. She feels calm and free. On Sunday, Grandma teaches Mia to bake bread. They eat it with fresh honey.
Take this jar.
Grandma says,
When the city feels loud, remember our quiet days.
Monday morning, Mia returns to the city. She puts the honey on her desk. Now, when work feels hard, she closes her eyes. She imagines green fields, butterflies, and Grandma's smile. She learns that nature is like a friend. It helps her heart. Practice your speaking. Answer the next question out loud and leave your answer in the comments. Short answers are okay. Do you have a special place where you find peace and calm? Share it in the comments.